Okay, welcome to Fruitball. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over exactly how you can integrate a Facebook pixel into your Shopify store. Up until very recently, Shopify has made it a bit more complicated to do this, so we're going to be covering step by step how you can do this. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm in my computer and we just logged into Shopify. Let's see the steps you have to take to integrate your Facebook pixel. So, I'm going to head over to Online Store and I'm going to click on Preferences. Then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Facebook Pixel and I'm going to click on Set Up Facebook. So this is going to redirect me to the App Store, the Shopify App Store, where it's going to ask me to install Facebook as a sales channel. In this case, I'm going to click Yes. Now once it's done this, it's going to ask me to set up Facebook marketing. So it's going to ask me to connect my Facebook account, which I'm going to do now. Okay, and I'm going to click on Yes. It's going to ask me to go through a few more permissions. I'm just going to quickly breeze through them. Alright, so my Facebook account is created. Now it's time to link my business manager. So in my business manager, 2305 Media is the name of the account. So that's the one I'm going to link it to. If you don't have a business manager set up yet, it'll let you create a new one here. So don't worry, you don't have to go to Facebook, you can do it all within Shopify. Okay, so I just created a test one, but I'm just going to stick to my 2305 Media one. Then it's going to ask me to link a Facebook page. So if you don't have a Facebook page set up yet, you can create one here, but as you've got a brand, you should already have one. So I'm just going to connect mine. Okay, so now I'm going to add my ad account to this Shopify setting. So I'm going to click on this, and it's getting my pixel data. If you haven't created a pixel yet, I'll have a link below to how you can create one within your Facebook Business Manager. I'm just going to finish up these steps. So let's go to United Kingdom, accept the terms and conditions. I'm going to press Finish Setup. Okay, great. Pixel is all set up within Shopify. It's linked to my business manager and my ad account, so everything should be integrated now. Alright, so now you should know exactly how to connect your pixel to your Shopify store. It took a few more steps, but we got there in the end. I hope you've enjoyed this video and we'll see you in another one. Cheers.